everyone. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube video, please subscribe and hit the notification button. I'm about to show you how you can use just onion to put an end to a stubborn cough at night. Stubborn cough for children, stubborn cough for adults. Those cough that doesn't allow you to sleep, that kind of cough that molests you, that harass you in your sleep. With just this onion, you can put an end to it. With just these onions, it works like magic. You don't even need to put nothing, just onion, natural. It works like magic. I have been using this onion for myself and for my kids for the past 5 years. It works like magic. I don't buy cough syrup in my house. I do not buy cough syrup in my house. You can't believe it. With this onion, you can put an end to a stubborn cough. That cough that disturb your night, that cough that molests you, that cough that rob you of your sleep at night. With just this onion, you can put an end to it. Let me show you how you can do it. Look at, I already sliced my onions into pieces here. What you do is, when the child is sleeping, sometimes you hear them coughing, they find it difficult to sleep, or even for yourself, you can do it for yourself. When at night you find it difficult to sleep, especially for kids. I normally use it for my kids because these kids are because they are tender, they always get cough. What I do when I hear my child coughing in the night and it's difficult for him to sleep, what I do, because most times they sleep with their stockings on. So what I do, I cut the onions into pieces like this, just a piece of onion, just one onion. I cut into pieces and I stuck some pieces into their stockings while they are sleeping. I make sure the pieces, the slice of the onions goes under their feet. You stuck it into the stockings and let it go under their feet, under the feet, not on top, under their feet. So after doing that for the 2 legs, I have some onion left. What I do with the left onion, I put it by their pillow side at night. You put some by the pillow side, and when you put the onion by the pillow side, they inhale the smell of the onions. Before 5 minutes, you will never hear them cough again. They will sleep like angel. I do it for my kids and it works like magic. I have been using this method for the past 5 years without going to the pharmacy to buy cough syrup. You can try it. It's very effective. Just this onion, whatever size you want. This one is okay. This one is also okay. Just one onion, you can put an end to a stubborn cough at night. It works very effectively. It works like magic. I'm not joking. I have never. For 5 years, I don't buy cough syrup because there was a time I used to buy cough syrup. When I buy cough syrup, I find out that it's still the same thing. The kids still don't sleep at night while coughing. And I come across onion, how you can use onion to put an end to those kind of cough, and it has been working for the past 5 years. I have been using this onion. I don't go short of onions in my house. There must always, I eat a lot of onions anyway, so I buy a lot of onions. I buy onions as if I'm buying food, as if I'm buying fruit. So I always have onion in my house. That's another one. Another method you can use again to put an end to this kind of stubborn cough is with shea butter. You get a little bit of shea butter. You use your tablespoon. You can mix it with any other. You try and you melt the shea butter. Shea butter is always like butter. You melt it to be liquid, and you put a pinch of salt and you give the child to drink at night. It works like magic too. These are the two methods I use for coughing.